I've been testing out Redflix, the gears. It's basically a Debrid Kodi build. So I've been testing that today. It only has the one add-on. Alright, one Debrid add-on, video add-on. The other one is another one. It's got two add-ons, but it's only used by the main one Debrid add-on. And I forgot what I was going to say now. Yeah, so this is one that I recommend for people to use who have Debrid. All right, if you've got Debrid, then use it. It's nice, quick, fast, easy to use. So this year, 2026, we're in February now. I recommend this build to you guys. Now, if you want something that has, you know, a couple of one-click stuff, then I'll recommend Cinema Debrid or the comedian build. But apart from that, I think for those who just want something like a replacement for, say, Cinema, the APK, this would do for Debrid only users.